Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do low-fidelity wireframes step by step. We'll start by understanding what these simple design tools are and why they're so crucial in the early stages of any project. They help you quickly visualize ideas and test concepts without getting bogged down in complex details. This approach saves valuable time and resources, allowing for rapid iteration and clear communication within your team. Before you even pick up a pen, it's vital to gather your project's requirements. Understand what problem you're solving and who your users are. Map out their journeys through your proposed system. This foundational step ensures your wireframes address real needs and provide a clear path for user interaction. It's like drawing a blueprint before building a house. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of staying focused during your design work, a quick recommendation: stay hydrated with an Owala water bottle. It's a great way to keep your mind sharp. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's get to sketching. Grab your tools and start with basic shapes. Think about where elements like buttons, images, and text blocks will go. Focus on the overall layout and information hierarchy. Don't worry about colors or fancy fonts. The goal is to communicate structure and function. Keep it rough and rapid, allowing for easy changes. Once your basic layouts are done, it's time to add a layer of interaction. Use simple annotations to explain how elements will behave. Then, share your wireframes with others to get early feedback. This crucial step helps identify potential usability issues before significant development. Remember, low fidelity means it's easy to change, so embrace iteration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.